Hi, everyone. Paige Panzarello here, the Cashflow chick. And I wanted to talk about who note investing is for. A lot of people are under the misconception that you have to be some experienced real estate investor or someone with just a ton of financial knowledge or background to become a notes investor. And that's not at all the case. Like anything, of course, you need to have your education behind you. You need to educate yourself wherever you're going to focus your most valuable asset, which is your time and your energy, right? You need to educate yourself so that you're spending your time wisely. You have to educate yourself so you can mitigate your risk about loss. And you need to invest in yourself to be able to know the steps to take in order to make for a successful outcome. But note investing is not for the uber rich. It's not necessarily for those that have a ton of money. It's not necessarily for those who have a ton of experience. It's not for, it can be, it's not for somebody that has a world of financial background or banking background, because when you buy a note, you literally become someone's bank. Note investing is for everybody who takes the time and puts forth the energy to educate themselves on how to better improve their life through note investing. Now, there are some pitfalls. There are some due diligence steps that you need to know how to take. And I do discuss those in my workshop. But understand, that note investing is not specific to a select group of people. It's okay if you're new, because we all start out somewhere. We all start out being new at something, regardless of whether you're in real estate or in the stock market. We're not born with the information, right? It's something that we acquire over time through education. And so as note investors, it's okay to be new. You just need to also understand that you have to have that action behind the education. Don't be a tire kicker in this space specifically. And I mean what I say, because it's a very reputation based niche space. Our space is very reputation oriented, but it's also very collaborative. So if you perform and do what you say you're going to do, as opposed to being a tire kicker, you're going to get referrals from other note investors, from other team members, from loss mitigation, from asset managers to new asset managers. So as long as you do what you say you're going to do, being new is not a problem. I will tell you, though, that it is important for you. It's not necessary. Well, in my opinion, it's necessary, but it's not required, let's put it that way, for you to even be educated to get into the note space. But if you want to be successful in the note space, if you want to take your hard-earned money, apply it to your investment and have it come home with friends, then I strongly urge you to educate yourself and invest in yourself and your education so that you can mitigate your risk. Again, it's okay to be new, but you don't have to be some uber experienced real estate investor to get into notes. It's okay to be new, because I feel like notes and note investing is for everybody who wants to secure their financial future, who wants to provide for their family, or even just themselves. If you want a new car, a new house, take a vacation a couple times a year or something along those lines, then note investing may be for you. But your experience level doesn't matter. Whether you're a man or a woman doesn't matter. As long as you are willing and want to do something to improve your life and improve your financial condition without the headache of tenants and toilets, by the way, everybody, because when you're the bank, you're not called for repairs, right? But if you're looking to improve your financial condition, your retirement, or just have some extra added income for your family, then note investing is definitely for you. Reach out to contact me. I would love to hear from you. You can go to cashflowchick.com. and sign up for a 30-minute consultation with me directly on my website. Or if you're interested in learning about notes, then go to buildingwealthwithnotes.com and join me at one of my workshops. I only have a couple of them a year because I'm an active note investor, but I would love to see you there. Again, note investing, in my opinion, is for everybody and anybody who is looking to improve their financial condition and be financially free. Hope to see you on the flip side. Bye.